Hello, brothers and sisters. Today we are going to start a new vlog, and this vlog we are going to visit Bangalore Golf Club. I'm really excited for that. So let me our. I spend a lot of time outside, but nature is something that I really enjoy. I will notice a lot of sounds and motions and actions. I notice that nature does things. Sometimes it drizzles. That's what we are saying. I just raining lightly. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. These vlogs mainly I will come to my friend's son birthday. Please bless me. I'm saying happy birthday Kashvi. This is Jungle Book theme only. See the decoration part. That is giraffe and elephant. See that balloon combination is very nice, right? See that is forest theme like trees and grass. That lighting part is also very nice and cleaning part also very nice also. See that total decoration part. Let me see. So that is balloons. That is overall Jungle Book theme. See, happy birthday Kashvi once again. See that animals like giraffe and lion and zebra, lamb, tiger and elephant. Everyone please bless me Kashvi. Okay. So very nice decoration part. Anybody you want the details for that decoration part and that location also, please chat with chat me. I will give the details for location and the decoration part details. So this is like wild animals theme. That boy is fifth birthday, so fifth birthday, right? So he know that forest theme. That's why it will choose like that theme is very nice. That trees and animals, he know everything. So it's very nice choose. Let's see the vlog. So I will add the music. Anybody you like this video, please like and share this video. Thank you for everyone.